Hey there, I'm Hugo Lorenzo from 9D, and this is my abandoned beauty project. Hope you enjoy. Like all projects, I started off with cardboard. Maybe a little bigger? A lot bigger. And then I turned the box inside out, followed by pasting the sides. After that, I went online to search for some templates to make some buildings. I cut out each one of the templates, I pasted them onto cardboard, then I cut each one and glued them. After which, I added a few details like some cracked windows and some paint. To make the buildings bend like the way I wanted them, I put some wire inside. And then after that, I rummaged through some old files, removed some things I didn't need, and changed it to how I needed it. I cut each one out, maybe a little fun, and then pasted onto cardboard. I cut each one out, and glued the final pieces together. Rawr! After which, I added some paint and details, including some teeth for my buddy here. And then I took all the pieces and put them in their rightful places. And finally, it was complete. I present to you Abandoned Beauty. Abandoned beauty. It can mean a few things, from leaving something alone for too long and the pain, the agony of leaving it alone grows. It keeps growing and infecting more. Whatever beautiful thing, if abandoned, can grow hatred. The abandonment drains the lifeblood out of the abandoned. The head itself represents the embodiment of agony, and though life has tried its best to live, you can see it's slowly dying. You can see it in the dying trees, in the overgrowth of vines on the building, how the withering spreads outwards. On the other hand, it can also mean abandoned things still harbor beauty within, which is why I used numerous recycled materials, including old cardboard, dying plants, sand, rocks, and old paper. I'm Hugo Lorenzo from 9D, signing out. Thanks for watching. A whoop, she doop, a whoopie shoopity doop, a whoop, she doop, a whoopie shoopity doopity doopity doop, she doop, a whoopity doopity 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 doop.